5, and here are the 3 things that you need to know this morning. Elon Musk said to be in talks with NBC Universal's head of advertising, Linda Yaccarino, to become Twitter's next CEO. The story, originally reported by the Wall Street Journal, came just hours after the billionaire owner of the platform tweeted that he'd hired a new leader and they'd start in 6 weeks. He didn't give a name, though, at the time. Yaccarino is currently chair of global ads and partnerships at NBCU, an area that's changed course since the Tesla and SpaceX owner took the helm. Advertising has traditionally accounted for the lion's share of revenue at Twitter, but concerns over content moderation and free speech saw something of an exodus last year. No Elon Musk-related news exists in a vacuum, though. The spillover from these reports impacted shares of Tesla this morning. The EV maker stock rose as investors continue to fret over the future of the company, with Musk's focus split among more than just one major business here. The challenges there compounded by a major recall in China today for Tesla on a braking and acceleration defect. It impacts 1.1 million cars. That's virtually every vehicle it has ever sold in that nation. And lastly, the so-called price war is alive and well. Tesla has raised prices in the United States again, and this time on every vehicle except the Model 3. And round 2 of debt ceiling talks are not going ahead as planned today, but the debate over the chance of default is still front and center for many Americans. A meeting involving President Biden and House Speaker Kevin McCarthy now scheduled for early next week. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has weighed into the issue again. In a Bloomberg TV interview, she says the only good outcome is for Congress to raise the ceiling. Yellen, however, hasn't been clear on action the Treasury would take if a deal isn't struck by the much anticipated X date.